how are you? Our topic today is about tips for learning journey, programming and coding. Let's get started. The online learning journey is filled with challenge blockers, especially with our daily busy schedule. Since you decide to go through it, see this opportunity to master programming, problem solving, and coding. For every question you have or technical issue you face, follow these tips. Step 1. Or firstly, accept the idea that you will face challenge and don't get discouraged or disappointed when you can't solve an error in your website or your app fails to run. Treat it as a normal and don't be disappointed and continue. Actually, you can't learn anything without fail. No one succeeds in life without fail. Trial and error are the key in the problem solving. The only way to learn programming or coding or even problem solving is by mastering troubleshooting skills. You may even discover a new way to solve a problem that no one has reached before you. By training, you will be an excellent in coding and programming. Tip 3. Research. Research is a huge and indispensable resource in the field of programming. There are many communities and Facebook pages that help you to ask questions you don't know, and the internet is filled with 100 resources, useful topics, fruitful discussions, and more. So before you go and create your topic to ask your question, use the search skill and go through the topics that are already posted. There is a huge chance that your colleagues or many people ask the same questions that you want to ask, or face the challenge to face, and your question was already answered by your tutors. So don't create topics to ask your answer or search about the topics that already posted. Still stuck and can't know your question? It's now time to ask for help. Post your question in its right category to receive the needed support. Step 4. Practice. A common mistake beginners do while learning programming or coding, just reading or looking at the sample code on their desktop without practicing. It's easy to reading about loops, variables, and getting all things in your head. But actual programming doesn't work in that way. You really need to get your hand dirty in coding and keep practicing it regularly. You should make a particular time every day to practice. There are more and more tips, but I take the important. Finally, if you follow these tips, really you will learn programming and coding, problem solving in a fast way. In the end of the video, subscribe, share, like. See you later.